Hello YouTube, today we will check out this new website that I saw. This is called pro-mstore, it's Italian. You can search here or in English or in Italian language. They have some offers. I found some interesting offers. It was very competitive to other European stores like Bike Discount, or English or Italian the language. Let's see what we have here. You can have a wish list. I made an order and I would like to see what it's in my order. This is the order. Okay. I just ordered 3 items. It wasn't necessary, but I all the time buy something. These are the prices without the tax. Down lower there is the tax. You can talk with them with WhatsApp if you have problem with the order or a delay or something like that, or any information for the products. And it's very interesting that it has free shipping for European zones after 29 euros if I'm wrong. Okay, so this is the order. It came in about 8 working days, something like that. Let's see what we have inside. This toolbox from Design Company, very interesting. I will make another video with this. Let's see how it is. It has a zip here, another zip inside. You can put some a mini pump. This is a strap. I will show you later in another video what it does. This very beautiful, compact, very interesting if you want to carry just one water bottle. Okay, and here I have some products from Topic. This is pliers for 12-speed chain. I will make another video with this. This is opening and closing the chain. The first option that you had from Topic for the pliers, it was just for opening the quick link. This is doing both of the operations, opening and closing. I will make another video for this. And this is a chain checker tool, very small. I was waiting that it will be much bigger, like a pack tool. This is very small and is also doing 2 jobs. One job is to check the chain wear, to see if your chain requires replacement, and also to keep the chain together in order to cut or put or install the quick link. Very interesting. I will make also another video for this. Thank you for watching.